In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically number rows in Google Sheets. Numbering rows can be a crucial part of organizing your data, whether you're setting up a budgeting spreadsheet, keeping track of inventory, or managing a list of contacts. With Google Sheets, there are a couple of straightforward ways to achieve this, and I'm here to guide you through each method step by step. Let's start by exploring the simplest method. First, navigate to the first row of your table. Here, you'll want to enter the number 1 or whatever number you wish to start your sequence with. After you've done that, you'll notice a small blue square dot at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is known as the fill handle. Click on that dot and drag it all the way down to the last row where you want your numbers to appear. As you drag, you'll see your numbers automatically filling in, creating a neat, sequential column of numbers from top to bottom. This method is quick and intuitive, especially when working with smaller sets of data. However, if you're working with a larger data set, or if you want more flexibility and automation in your numbering process, using a formula might be the better choice. In this case, you can utilize the row function within Google Sheets. This method is particularly useful if you need to insert additional rows later on and want the numbering to automatically adjust. To use this method, click on the cell where you want your numbers to start and enter the formula row. But keep in mind, this function will display the number of the row in which it's placed. So depending on where you are, the result might not start at 1, but rather at the number of the actual row itself. You might notice, for example, that if you place this formula in the 24th row, it shows the number 24. To adjust this and perhaps start your numbering from a different value, you need to subtract a specific number from row 2. For instance, if you want the numbering to start from 5, even though you're on the 24th row, you would adjust the formula to row 19. Doing so aligns your sequence to start exactly where you want, regardless of the actual row number. Once you input this into the first cell, just drag the formula down with the fill handle to automatically populate your desired numbering for the rest of the rows. And that's all there is to it. Whether you prefer the manual fill method or the dynamic approach using a formula, Google Sheets provides you with the flexibility to efficiently number rows, enhancing both the organization and usability of your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching along, and happy organizing.